Hello everyone, my name is Jayne and I am presenting assignment 1 component of blood cells. Blood has 4 main components which are plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. I will start from erythrocytes or red blood cell. Red blood cell is slightly indented so that it can easily move through vessel. It has a flattened disc shape. It is round with an indentation in the center, as we can see here in the picture. Red blood cell has no nucleus and it has a bright red color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Red blood cells are made in the bone marrow and they live in the body for 120 days. Red blood cells help to transport oxygen and nutrients in the body. They also help to remove waste and carbon dioxide from the cells by doing gas exchange in the lungs. Then, the carbon dioxide is removed during exhaling. They also help in the distribution of heat. These are a few medical conditions that affect a low red blood cell count. And these are the medical conditions that affect a high red blood cell count. Next, leukocytes or white blood cell. White blood cell has a round shape with nucleus. They live in the body approximately 13 to 20 days. Their lifespan varies according to the type of white blood cell. White blood cells are colorless, but they appear as a very light purple to pink color when examined under a microscope and colored with dye. White blood cells are part of our immune system that protects our body from infection. I will talk more about this later. Here, we can see the classification of white blood cell. White blood cell can be classified as granulocytes or agranulocytes. Neutrophil specializes in the phagocytosis of bacteria that invades our body. Eosinophil fights infection for parasitic infection, and basophil produces inflammatory and allergic reaction. Lymphocytes produce specific immune responses. It can be activated and become B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, and natural killer cells. Lymphocytes take part in the adaptive immune system, unlike granulocytes and monocytes, which involves in innate immunity. Thrombocytes or platelets is the smallest of the solid components of blood. They have no nucleus and they are responsible for the clotting process. Plasma is the liquid portion of blood without cells, and plasma contributes 55% of blood's total volume. Plasma contains water, electrolytes, hormones, nutrients, metabolic waste product, vitamins, enzymes, plasma proteins like fibrinogen, albumin, and globulin. Moving forward to the functions of plasma. The functions of plasma is to deliver hormones, nutrients, and proteins and to support blood vessels from collapsing. They also help to maintain blood pressure and circulation and help to regulate body temperature. Plasma also take part to remove waste from cells and transport it to the liver, lungs, and kidneys for excretion. The picture shows plasma after the centrifugation of blood. The plasma is the supernatant. Thank you for watching.